Well, hello everybody. Welcome to your language teaching and learning channel. My name is Santiago, and I'd like to apologize for not having posted any video last week. As you can see, we're under construction in the channel. You may have already noticed that we changed the title of the channel, and for these reasons, these changes that we're planning to make, the channel is under construction, so we will not be posting for the next couple of weeks. Okay? Please take advantage of this time to catch up maybe on some of the videos that you haven't watched. Don't forget to add some comments so that we can use them in order to plan ahead and see what you would like to see in the channel. Okay, so once again, please stay tuned. We will not be posting for the next couple of weeks, but in about 3 weeks, we'll be back on track. Thank you for your understanding, and I look forward to seeing you then. Take care.